Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Susina, and for today's video we will be doing Gun Devil, also known as Aki Hayakawa. And today I'll be using painting color, and then for details I'll be using crayons and then a pen. So let's just dive into the video. This video was so long guys. I had to add lots of details, and for me to sketch the outline from my painting color, it was way too hard than I thought. I was doing everything slowly and then taking my time. The video was actually around 45 minutes long, but I cropped so many videos and I edited it, so now it's around 8 minutes I guess. If you have read manga, then you might actually know what the story plot twist is, but if you haven't read manga, then this might actually be a little bit of spoiler, but still it won't spoil you a lot. Hope you'll just enjoy the process. As I keep telling you all, I'm really confident with painting brush, so that is why most of the time I use painting brush for outlining. But if you have sketching pens, then surely you can use that for your sketch or painting or whatever you are doing. Just use the tools that are available and then the tools that you feel confident about using it. So the head that I am painting at the moment is of Denji's. And while I was doing this gun, the gun that he is carrying, it took me a lot of time guys, I won't even lie about it. I took this reference from manga, so that is why I wanted to make my artwork look more like manga, and I ended up adding lots of details in this gun and then the background. And you'll also see at the end what I have used to add more details. So yeah, watch the video till the end. When I first started this painting, I thought I'll be starting it with the background first, but then I realized that background is way too much of work, so I decided to do the character first and then dive into the background later. This is my way of doing things guys, but if you are really confident about doing the background first, or you wanna do the background first, then you can go give it a shot. In art there is no such things as correct way and then wrong way. You can just go with the flow and explore, do whatever you want and learn. After finishing the outline, I erased all the pencil marks. I won't be erasing the marks that I am about to shade with my painting color though, because that's convenient for me, and I will actually know where I have to add darker shades. So yes, that's how I do things. So this is me using pen for adding the small details, and using different kind of medium also gives a different dimension to your artworks. So that is why I used pen and then crayons for adding details later on. And I actually loved how it turned out, by the way. I hope you will also love it as much as I do. So this is the final artwork, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back again with another art video. Till then, bye bye.